Why are you writing a book? This is the first question that you should ask yourself before you pick up a pen or tap away at the keyboard. Writing a book is exciting, but before you jump into publishing, there is one important thing that every author should have: a clear goal. Not just a vague idea like I just want to publish for fun, but a specific outcome that you want from your book. Because your goal as an author shapes everything: how you write, edit, publish, and even market your book. Without a goal, it's easy to spend time, money, and energy on the wrong things. Think of it like this: your book is the product and you're the entrepreneur. And every smart entrepreneur needs a strategy. Without a goal, publishing might feel overwhelming and directionless. You may invest in marketing strategies that you don't need, or you might skip personal branding when you need it to grow your business. But whatever your goal may be, the one thing that's common between all of them is having a good quality book at the end of publishing. But the other things you focus on depend on your goals. So let's talk about your publishing goals and how you can plan your publishing journey based on what you want to achieve. If writing is your passion and your goal is to share your story, then you can be more focused on the writing itself. You might be writing a book to leave a legacy or just for the joy of creating something meaningful. In that case, you can write the book yourself, or you can hire a ghostwriter. An editor can help refine your manuscript and make it error-free. Since your goal is not to build a brand or reach a wide audience, marketing isn't top priority in this case. If you see yourself writing multiple books and earning royalties from it, then you might want to think long term. Building a consistent body of work, growing a loyal reader base, and creating a recognizable brand becomes essential. So the writing itself is extremely important. To build a loyal reader base, your book has to be perfect. Consider developmental editing, where you get feedback as you're writing your book, and this helps shape your book's structure and content. A unique, eye-catching cover also becomes important. You can choose marketing services based on who you want to reach and where your audience is likely to discover your book. If you're an entrepreneur or a subject matter expert, your book can be a powerful tool to attract new clients and build credibility. In this case, you should focus on using your book strategically to build your overall brand. You can invest in ghostwriting or developmental editing to ensure that your book is persuasive and aligned with your overall business message. Author branding becomes key. This includes creating a professional-looking website, building an email list, and running targeted social media campaigns that tie in with your overall brand presence. To put it very simply, the more ambitious your goals are, the higher production standards you should aim for. When you're clear about what you want from your book, you'll know exactly what kind of support you need, and we'll be able to recommend the right publishing plan for you. If you want to know more about your options, click the link in the description where we explain our publishing plans in detail. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who'll help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!